Hello and welcome again at Stocks Advisor channel. In today's episode, we will talk about IEA, Infrastructure and Energy Alternatives Incorporated, traded at Nasdaq. The stock today did show a nice white candle with some shadows upwards and downwards, very minor, and major price action was actually finishing at 14.88, going higher than all previous half a year price actions, and actually just trying to reach overbought area here RSI wise, so trying to send price in overbought area where we could accelerate and maybe finish the formation current wave. Of course, now the question is what's next for this stock, how we can trade it further, how to analyze it, and actually how to see the future of IEA. Well, to do this, let's do a quick analysis here. First of all, what is important to know that this stock, in difference to previously discussed at our channel, is already long term from mid of July, is being so-called 20, 50, 200 stock. So the stock whose moving averages are aligned like this, and this means that until this is the case, on the mid and long term play, this stock is very profitable and very good to trade with. And if you're a short-term player, you just need to catch the appropriate wave, and that's what we will discuss today here. As always, at this daily chart we have three moving averages depicted. These are moving averages 20, 50 and 200, being green, blue and red lines correspondingly. Here they are shown, and what we see is that moving average 200 is following lower, similarly having the same shape that moving average 20 and 50, and the latter two are actually very close to each other, again without crossing each other, also elevating. And moving average 20 is showing this very classical steps like move, which is nice because you can track it further and the growth will actually continue according to those moves. So let's do further analysis here. First of all, we check RSI. RSI is growing very nicely, sending us to overbought area. So in that sense, it's very bullish momentum. Speaking of MACD histogram, this is just beautiful in the sense that we had already by beginning of December here, when the correction started, classically going nice downward symmetrical, almost symmetrical downward shape histogram, and now we crossed to the positive area with some jump. So this jump could show some, let's say, volatilities because it was not a smooth entry like we saw, for example, in November. Also, though, caused some volatility. So we now are going to be in upper mode, in upper part and positive part for some time. And this is also good, meaning that overall the stock is going to grow. But the candle is very high in comparison to other relative candles of this channel. So the situation, simply speaking, we could foresee here is similar to one we saw by end of September, beginning of October. And with this, it means that actually what we could see is still some slight elevation of price, then a little bit of correction, and then going up. And that would be the strategy to play here, because that correction might start with, or might take place with volatilities, as we saw here also in the example discussed September, October. So similarly, how to play here, it would be similar strategy. So let's look at the levels. First of all, of course, the level of entry would be anything immediately at this volatility point. Let's call it V1, and then below to the support level of this area, somewhere almost about 12. So these two would be immediate first entry, just immediately below V1 is entry, and then just wait for another wave because we should really be growing nicely here. Should we go for stronger correction, though really not expected, but if any, for example, negative catalyst kicks in or something happens, then of course we need to be prepared for stronger action, and this support level together with moving average 50, sorry, the blue line is coming here with a very strong one also together with this level 2, and it would be the second entry opportunity, very strong. I don't think we go ever lower here, I don't even think we go there, but just as always we discuss risk mitigation strategies, that would be another opportunity to buy. And in case of any crazy move like price going really low, we can just let's say foresee the latest support level would be is actually in the vicinity of the level of 7. And with this being said, anything that touches there and goes to the level of 6 would be the final support area, but not at all we go there. It would be unbelievable to see this price action, but as always we discuss and we are solid in our opinion. It's better to be very well prepared, and since it's quite safe play here with the last support, it's advised to play 1-1-2 instead of 5 options here, 5 portions here, meaning that money you would like to play here you can split in 4, then you can buy with 1, again buy with 1, and the final, if needed, you buy with 2 portions according to entry positions given here. This would be the best optimization, a little bit more for profit rather than for loss, because the area between V1 S3 is extremely strong for reversive move, and we don't expect any further penetration lower than S3. So with this having said, this is actually the safest approach you can be advised for IEA to play. And when people ask us when to sell, well, we usually approach the technical trading strategy at our channel. This is the major way we analyze the stocks here. Therefore, it's advised to sell up to 10% profit. Don't be too greedy, don't keep too much, don't try to become rich from one trade. Why is it important? Because we always post many videos at our channel, and you can always find something else, trade there, be profitable consistently. By the way, another thing to say here about a nice consistency in growth in this stock is also this T1 trend line, of course, obviously seen here, and it correspondingly crosses V1 S1, making it even stronger setup. So actually it's expected immediately reverse from this channel V1 S1. So coming back to trading strategies, again, don't be too greedy, sell in time, better watch other videos at our channel, find another stocks just preparing for reversive move, enter there, make the profit there. As you can see in this analysis, we give advice either for immediate action like a first entry positions, and if not confirmed, then up to 5 weeks in advance usually. So it means you can also watch other videos at our channel. And by the way, if you don't find the stock of your interest, you can always request a video to be placed at our channel. Just see how to do it in the description to this video. There is a link to a video describing how to request your own stock to be analyzed. Also, you can try our free mobile application, from which you will see latest 14 videos uploaded to our channel daily, so you will not miss any videos and any opportunity of interesting for US based stocks. With this, good luck for a year, and see you at another episode of Stocks Advisors channel.